Hi friends, this is a fun activity to do during grocery week. You can get a paper bag and make it into a vest like the people wear at the store, or I got this at the dollar store. And it's just a plain apron. It's just $1. And you can open it up and it looks like this. It ties at the neck and ties in the back. You can either decorate this or leave it the way it is and use it while you pretend to be at the store. Again, this is just from the dollar store. Or if you have a paper bag at home, you're going to want your scissors, thumb in the thumb hole, fingers down below, point towards the ceiling, and you can have an adult help you with this. You're going to cut, 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 cut all the way down. And then you're going to need to open it a little bit. I know it's kind of funny cutting a bag like this, right? And you're going to make an oval shape at the top. If you need to have it traced onto the paper for you, that is perfectly fine. Or if you need an adult to help you, that is also fine. Just cut. There you go, there's that oval shape. And this part's going to go on your body. And then you're going to need a part for your arms. You're going to cut holes in the sides. Cut it around big enough so that your arm will fit through this hole. You're going to make a circle shape. And if it comes out a square, that is fine too. So you're going to cut up this front, oval on top, circle on the side. So when you're done cutting, you put your arm through here. This will be around your neck, and this will be up your body. You can decorate it. You can write your name on here so that you have like a little name tag. You can decorate the back. You can decorate the front. Any way you choose. If you have handles on it, take the handles off. Have fun with it. Enjoy the grocery store. Bye, friends.